Welcome back to English Like Jagger. Can you match the correct words to these 25 expressions? You'll have 10 seconds to choose each one. If you're ready, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Which word means to deeply respect, adore, revere, detest, or scorn? The correct answer is revere. People revere the leader for his wisdom and kindness. Which word means extremely hungry, famished, parched, content, or sated? The correct choice is famished. After the long hike, they were famished and ate everything. Which word means to take control of, abandon, relinquish, forsake, or seize? The right answer is seize. The army planned to seize the city by dawn. Which word means lacking originality, trite, novel, unique, or fresh? The correct choice is trite. His speech was full of trite phrases and cliches. Which word means to assign or distribute, allocate, hoard, deprive, or take? The correct answer is allocate. The budget committee will allocate funds for the project. Which word means to escape unnoticed, reveal, evoke, elude, or attain? The correct choice is elude. The thief managed to elude the police for weeks. Which word means causing harm or damage, beneficial, supportive, detrimental, or harmful? The correct answer is detrimental. Smoking is detrimental to your health. Which word means short and to the point, verbose, concise, rambling, or ambiguous? The correct choice is concise. Her instructions were concise and easy to follow. Which word means to confirm or support, refute, verify, deny, or counter? The correct answer is verify. Can you verify this information before we publish it? Which word means to make impure or weaker, fortify, adulterate, strengthen, or refine? The correct choice is adulterate. The supplier adulterated the product with cheaper materials. Which word means full of energy and enthusiasm, lively, lackluster, vivid, or vibrant? The correct answer is vibrant. The vibrant atmosphere of the festival was contagious. Which word means not able to be read, clear, illegible, coherent, or bold? The correct choice is illegible. His handwriting was so illegible that no one could read it. Which word means to argue or dispute, debate, quarrel, contest, or agree? The correct answer is quarrel. They quarreled over the inheritance for hours. Which word means to act dishonestly for personal gain, cheat, deceive, conspire, or collude? The correct choice is cheat. He was caught trying to cheat on the exam. Which word means a subtle difference in meaning, shade, contrast, nuance, or spectrum? The correct answer is nuance. The artist captured every nuance of the subject's expression. Which word means occurring irregularly, sporadic, continuous, regular, or constant? The correct choice is sporadic. His visits to the office have become sporadic. Which word means to bring back to life? Preserve, sustain, extinguish, or revive? The correct answer is revive. The doctor managed to revive the patient after the collapse. Which word means lacking emotion or interest? Apathetic, passionate, engaged, or eager? The correct choice is apathetic. The audience seemed apathetic to the speaker's message. Which word means not friendly or forthcoming? Hostile, aloof, warm, or cordial? The correct answer is aloof. He remained aloof and distant throughout the meeting. Which word means a false or deceptive appearance, reality, truth, spectrum, or facade? The correct choice is facade. Behind her cheerful facade, she was struggling with sadness. Which word means to express approval, criticize, condemn, praise, or mock? The correct answer is praise. The teacher praised the student for her hard work. Which word means to call into question, challenge, approve, verify, or doubt? The correct choice is challenge. The lawyer challenged the credibility of the witness. Which word means to officially cancel, revoke, enforce, approve, or endorse? The correct answer is revoke. The company decided to revoke his privileges after the breach. Which word means likely to occur at any moment, distant, delayed, impending, or uncertain? The correct choice is impending. The dark clouds signaled an impending storm. Which word means showing complete agreement, disputed, opposed, divided, or unanimous? The correct answer is unanimous. The jury reached a unanimous verdict in record time. Did you enjoy the quiz? Subscribe for more and share your score in the comments below.